If you're trying to launch Meccha Chameleon and you're getting the error message failed due to invalid or missing authentication token for user, or not logged in, then this tutorial will show you several methods you can use to fix the problem. Make sure you follow each step carefully, because this error is usually caused by Steam permissions, authentication, or your antivirus blocking important game files. What you should check is whether Steam is running and you're logged into your account. Many users receive this error because Steam isn't open or the game cannot verify their Steam login. Open Steam and make sure you're signed into the correct account. If Steam is already open, completely close it first and then launch it again. Wait until Steam finishes signing in and syncing your account. Once Steam is fully loaded, launch Meccha Chameleon again. If you don't have Steam installed yet, open your browser and search for Steam Download. Download Steam from the official website, install it, sign in with your Steam account, and then try launching the game again. Now let's move to another solution that has worked for many players. Sometimes Windows Security or another antivirus program mistakenly blocks important game files, preventing the authentication system from working correctly. To fix this, you'll need to add your game folder to the antivirus exclusion list. Press Windows +I on your keyboard to open the Windows settings. Inside Settings, click on Privacy and Security. If you are using Windows 10, you may see Update and Security instead. Simply open it and continue to Windows Security. Now select Windows Security. Next, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down until you find Protection History and open it. This page shows every file that Windows Defender has recently blocked or quarantined. Carefully go through each item listed here. If you see multiple entries, don't just check the first one. Open every blocked item one by one because your game's files may be listed under different detections. Click the drop-down arrow for each detection. If Windows asks for administrator permission, simply click Yes. Now look for the Affected Items section. Here you'll be able to see the exact file path that Windows Defender removed. If you notice files related to Meccha Chameleon, Online Fix, or any folder containing your game's installation directory, then you've found the cause of the problem. You should also see a Restore button. Click Restore to recover the deleted or quarantined game files. If you don't see Meccha Chameleon in the first detection, go back and continue checking every remaining item in Protection History until you find it. Many users skip this step and miss the actual quarantined file. Once you've restored every game file, the next step is very important. If you don't do this, Windows Defender may simply delete the files again the next time you launch the game. Go back to the Virus and Threat Protection page. Scroll down until you find Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Click Manage Settings. Now scroll all the way down until you see Exclusions. Click Add or Remove Exclusions. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Next, click Add an Exclusion. Choose Folder. Now browse to the folder where Meccha Chameleon is installed. For example, if your game is installed through Steam, you can usually find it by opening this PC greater than local disk, or the drive where your games are installed, greater than Steam Library, greater than Steam Apps, greater than Common, greater than Meccha Chameleon. If your game is installed somewhere else, simply navigate to that location instead. Once you've found the game's installation folder, select it and click Select Folder. Windows Security will now add the entire game folder to its exclusion list. This tells Windows Defender not to scan or remove any files inside that folder in the future. After you've completed these steps, restart your computer. Now launch Meccha Chameleon again. In most cases, the Fail to Get Online Fix interface error should now be completely gone. If you're still getting the same error, try verifying that all quarantined files have been restored. If some files are permanently deleted, you may need to verify your game files or reinstall the game so that the missing files can be downloaded again.